Hi guys, Rhaze here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be trying on the stuff that I got from ZAFUL. So I got three packages. It's gonna be really messy. I opened the packages, but I haven't opened like the actual clothing packaging. I just wanted to make sure that they are from ZAFUL. So I have one, two. This I opened when Dan did his vlog. If you haven't watched that yet, I will leave the link below. But yeah, that was so fun. And then the last one is this big one. And yeah, I will leave the link of ZAFUL below. I have a lot of stuff from ZAFUL, guys. It's a hit and miss. Not because of the quality. Well, some stuff, the quality are not that great, but hit and miss for me because of the size. I'm really small. I am a size like Australian 4, US 0, 00, something like that. Yeah, whenever I shop at ZAFUL, I always filter the search to extra small and then start from there. They don't really have that many selection when it comes to that size, so I go for small sometimes and just like, you know, cross my fingers and, you know, hope for the best. By the way, these items were sent to me by ZAFUL, but of course I'm gonna be honest with you guys. If it doesn't look good, I will tell you it doesn't look good. If I don't like it, I will tell you I don't like it. So let's start with the very first package that I received. So the first item is this one here. Oh, it comes with a belt. I actually already opened this and like kind of showed you guys on my vlog, the birthday vlog. The first time I saw this, I was like, oh, that's a bit big. So see, I think it's gonna be big. Maybe not. We'll try it on. I think it's gonna be big. Yep, it's big. It's big, you guys. No, that doesn't fit me. Wait, maybe if we put the belt. I'm not sure. This is so big here. No, I'm not gonna wear this. I'm not a big fan of the ruffles as well. It's just too much for me. I don't know, because I'm really small, I feel like ruffles is like way too much for me. If there's ruffles going on, it just makes me like... Okay, next one is this one here. So it has the ZAFUL. I like this packaging as well. This one is the skinny taper jeans, denim blue, extra small, and it is only $14.99. So $15 only for this dress here. Not dress, for the jeans. Okay, let's try it on. The length of this is perfect and it fits me. It is a bit tight on here, just a little bit, but this area here fits perfectly. Like, it's just a perfect fit for me. And it feels really good as well. I love this one. I got two! I got two of the same top. The tag actually says ZAFUL. And then here as well, the tag on here as well says ZAFUL. So that's nice. Oh my gosh! I honestly don't think I can wear this out. For me, it's like too much skin showing. This one looks really cute though, like the top. I just wish it's longer. It feels nice. It has that ribbed detail fabric going on. I like this. The quality is good. Without this, I don't think that's sexy. That one, see? I like it. I'm pretty sure I got this in yellow as well. So I'm gonna find that yellow one and then try it on. For some reason, it is in a different packaging. Like the white one is in here. And then the yellow one is just like the regular plastic one without the ZAFUL tag. So it just has the... Yes, it is from a different brand. It is from Amanzu Apparel. Oh, this one is actually a bit longer than the white one. I'm doing my best to make this work because I don't want you to see my belly skin. I think it's fine. Like looking at the camera, it's fine. Here, no, I don't think I'm... I don't know. This is, I believe, one size fits all. I'm not sure if it will fit a medium. It is a bit stretchy, but I don't think it will fit like a large. No. Okay, let us move on. I have this thick looking... Oh, a vest. I remember this. I have like a black vest, but I've been wanting like another one for some reason. It looks like this. It's a long vest. Like so. Yes. It feels nice. The inside is not scratchy. It is kind of like a coat material, the inside coat material. It has the buttons detailing that actually makes it look a bit classy. It's not super thick, plus it's not really heavy as well, so it's very comfortable. And it has pockets, which is always a plus. It's a working pocket as well. Both sides. I love this. I really like this. Next one is this one here. V-neck flare sleeve flower print chiffon blouse. This is extra small as well, and it's $15.90. Ooh, nice. I like the color. Wait, let's tuck it in. I like it. And the sleeve is not too long as well. It's just perfect for me. It is see-through, but I'm wearing a nude bra and you cannot even tell. As long as you wear like a skin tone bra, they can't tell that it's see-through because it just blends in. I like it. I really, really like it. I can wear this to work. This next one is this, what? 3rd anniversary ZAFUL. Is this from the ZAFUL brand? I like that they actually have like their own brand, like their own clothing. Oh, I remember this. This is the one with the, yes, this is the one with the pineapple. I'm pretty sure this is, why is it so big? This is extra small already and it's $20.49. This is already extra small. That is so big. Maybe it can be like, what? It could be maybe a blouse dress. Blouse dress! It has quite a lot of loose threads, like all over it. But that's fine, that's easy to fix. This is way too big, way too big. The fabric feels really nice though, like it's really cooling. This is perfect for summer. It is a thick fabric, but it gives you that really nice cooling effect on the skin. I'll try and make this work because I really, really like that. I'm not sure, you guys. What do you think? I think I will still wear it because I'm a savage like that. Maybe I can wear it to the airport because it's really comfy. I really like it. It's big. It's nice. Okay, next is a dress with a belt. This one is from Global Wook. Extra small. This is a denim dress, very thin denim. I hope it's not too big. The struggle is real. It has a belt. The belt is not like the best quality, but you can just use your own belt, right? If you have like a brown or black skinny belt, it will work. It has pockets. Nice. The fabric feels nice as well. The length is fine. It just sits right above my knee, which is good. But I'm not sure. Let's try and do this. Usually this is the trick that always works for me. If the dress looks a bit big, I just roll up the sleeves. So we'll see if it will work with this one. Oh, not bad. Yes. Okay. Yeah, I probably can wear this, guys, out. But yeah, that one's nice. You can just replace the belt with whatever color you like. Match it with your shoe S and then you'll be fine. I like it. Another one in this nice fancy ZAFUL packaging, and this is this is a romper. Yes, it is a romper, and it's yellow, kind of like mustard yellow, very like vineyard. The color is good. It has this tassel, kind of like belt thingy. Nice. It's just weird because it's on the side, not like in the middle. I actually like that. I like it. It has the pom-poms, not really pom-poms, but it has like really nice detail on here as well. I like this one. It doesn't have pockets. It is double lined as well. So it has a lining here, which I'm pretty sure even if it's just this fabric, it's not gonna be see-through. Plus it has the lining, which will make it like not see-through at all. And off-shoulder is always like, you know, really sexy. Now let's proceed to this one here. It's blue. I think it's a dress. I think it is. It comes with a belt as well. Oh my gosh, I love the color of that romper. Okay. It looks like this. That's dark blue. I hope that fits me. It is a tad bit tight around here. Well, actually not bad. Now that it's already on, maybe because just putting it on it was like extremely tight, but right now it's fine. This is the kind of dress that I can wear to work. I'm not sure if I will because I think it's a bit full on. It fits me perfectly as well. The length of the sleeve is perfect as well. It's not too long, so it just sits right there, which is perfect. It's double lined as well, which is great, so it's not see-through. Oh, let's put the belt on. Of course, the belt is too long. Okay. Maybe you have to tie this one as well into a bow. Okay. If I can like figure out how to hide this bloody belt. Oh, with a black handbag, black shoes. Nice. Wow, now the lighting is way better now that I'm almost done. Second to the last is this pair of jeans, I believe. Hoping it fits me because this is extra small and it's $28.49. Oh, no way. That's big. I know boyfriend jeans are supposed to be baggy, but this one is way too much. Yeah, no, this is not a good look here. Anyway, to the last item that we have from ZAFUL. This is extra small as well, and it's $15.58. Ooh, that feels really nice. It's kind of like, I'm not sure what kind of fabric that one is. Look at that. Feels really, really soft, you guys. Oh my gosh, that looks really good. Oh my gosh, that feels really good. And then the pocket detail. Dang! It says the color is khaki. It's like mustard yellow for me. This is from the brand Trafaluk. It feels so nice. Oh, I love this color. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love that. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. I love that. I love wearing shorts because they're very comfy. Who are you? No caller ID. Hello?
Hello, sorry, I'm on the wrong number.
He was like, hello, sorry, wrong number. Okay. It has that kind of like shiny effect on it as well. It's very flowy. Oh my gosh, I love this. I wish they have more colors, but they only have this color here, which is khaki. Anyway, that is it for this haul, you guys. I will leave all the links of all the items that I showed you in the description box. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please do like this video if you enjoyed this kind of video, like an impromptu try-on review. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys in my next one. Do not forget, be good. Bye! Mwah.